Good morning, everyone. Dr. Vicky here, speaking to you from the Seeds of Transformation Healing Center. Today is Monday, February 23rd, and the moon is in Taurus. It'll be in Taurus until, let me see, I have to look, about 9:30 this evening here on the East Coast of the U.S. When it moves into Gemini, the sign of communication. So I'll talk about the astrology. I wanted to get this out as soon as possible while there was still some electricity on my phone. We do not have any electricity right now. So I don't know how long it's been off, but it's not too cold in here yet. Luckily, we have a fireplace that can keep us warm, and I'm not really worried about us. The biggest problem with this is the bird because he is tropical, so we have to keep him warm to the best of our ability. We usually don't lose electricity for too long, but this is a really bad storm, and I think I'll share it with you. You know what? Let me share it with you this way. Hold on. All right, so there's the storm outside, and it's very windy, very, very windy, and very, very cold. All right, back to the astrology. Still enjoying the Taurus moon, am I? We actually have a square today between the moon in Taurus and Mars in Aquarius. That happens not at 12:19 p.m. So there can be some upsetment with that. Then the moon will conjoin Uranus today, sextile Neptune, and then sextile Saturn. Right, Saturn and Neptune both made that conjunction, and now the moon sort of comes along and tweaks that conjunction again, bringing a sense of the personal to the very collective. So it's like the collective energy gets sort of introduced into our life. This is when the moon does those sextiles to Neptune and Saturn after it moves into Gemini, but makes the conjunction of Uranus at the end of Taurus. So in its way, even with the Taurus moon, it is a pretty active day. A lot of more personal things, right? A little less like, oh my God, the world is completely changing and all the rules have changed. There are still rules that we have to go by, as much as we'd like. Some rules just change like that. They don't. It takes a while for us to catch up. So, but take care of yourself. If you're in the path of the storm, please stay inside. It's not a good one. So we'll see. We'll see how we come out of this. All right, guys, take care. Much love to you all, and namaste.